Hello and welcome to the edition of Glory of RS Monthly News. I'm Mandeep Kaur and I'm super excited to bring a roundup of amazing things that happened in our school over the past few weeks. Let's begin with the top headlines of May month.
Junior kids of RS celebrate the color red with joy and also mold their imagination and creativity with clay model activity. The school conducted a mock drill for 400 NCC cadets and students. The drill aimed to equip students with essential skills and knowledge to respond in emergency situations. Primary kids shine bright on the intersection board decoration competition and clean living challenge activity. RS Model Senior Secondary School shines brightly with 9 merits of students in 12th grade board exams. Students showcase spiritual skills at Mantra Incantation competition. Students unleash their inner poet at intra-school poem recitation competition. The Navchetna Bal Bhalai Committee organized the Udan 2025 painting competition at RS Model Senior Secondary School. With enthusiasm to pour down their art on paper, students participate in calligraphy competition. Drone training camp empowers students with technical skills over 5 days of expert instructions. Kiranpreet Kaur, a TSC holder, 10th class student, proudly represented her institution in Delhi National Camp and awarded a cash prize of Rs 5,000. The school observed World No Tobacco Day to raise students' awareness with medical camp and quiz competition. On May 3rd, the pre-primary section burst with creativity as students enthusiastically participated in the clay model activity, showcasing their imagination through innovative ideas. The excitement continued on May 14th with a cheerful Red Day celebration where children came dressed in bright red outfits, spreading warmth and joy all around. RS Model Senior Secondary School conducted a comprehensive mock drill for approximately 400 NCC cadets and students. The exercise was supervised by Lieutenant Gursimran Kaur under the distinguished guidance of Dr. Sanjeev Chandel, including Colonel R.S. Chauhan, Subedar Major Rakesh, and other PI staff from 3 Punjab Girls Battalion honored the event with their presence. The drill aimed to equip students with essential skills and knowledge to respond effectively in emergency situations, and a comprehensive presentation provided valuable insights into blackout measures, weapons, and first aid procedures. The young minds of the primary section showcased remarkable creativity and innovation through a series of engaging competitions and activities organized at the school. In intersection board decoration competition, students showcase their artistic talents and teamwork as they transform their boards into vibrant displays filled with knowledge and imagination. On May 12, students also participated in the Clean Living Challenge activity, designed to instill cleanliness, hygiene, and healthy living habits among young learners. The event successfully fostered a sense of responsibility and awareness among the students, laying a strong foundation for a healthier future. On 14th May, the Punjab School Education Board declared the class 12th results, and our school proudly announced the outstanding achievements of 9 of its students who secured position in the board's merit list. From the science stream, 5 RS students Nitin, Divjot, Garima, Kirti, and Kiran Jot, and from the commerce stream, 4 students Mahek Shah, Harleen Kaur, Janvi, and Jasprit Kaur emerged as shining stars by securing prestigious rank in the exams. Nitin from science stream secured third position across Punjab and stood first in Ludhiana, while Divjot ranked 8th in state and 2nd in district, bringing great distinction to the school. The school management committee extended their heartfelt congratulations to the students, and school's principal Dr. Sanjeev Chandel also conveyed their appreciation and best wishes to the students and their parents, and expressed his best wishes for their continued success in their academic journey. On 12th May, our school organized the Mantra Incantation competition for 5th to ninth classes with the aim of connecting them to the rich spiritual and cultural heritage. The students recited sacred mantras with clarity, confidence, and devotion. The competition created a serene and spiritual atmosphere as the rhythmic chants filled the hall with positive energy. The winners were awarded certificates and praised for their dedication and graceful rendition. Intra-school poem recitation competition held on May 13. Students from classes 6 to 12 participated with zeal and reciting poems in Hindi, English, and Punjabi languages. Our principal sir encouraged the students for their efforts. In our school on May 14, a state level painting competition Udan 2025 organized by Nav Chetna Bal Bhalai Committee. About 270 students from classes 3rd to 12th participated in this competition. Students painted powerful messages on social issues like drug abuse, child labor, girl child education through their creative strokes. On May 15 and 16, accordingly, the school conducted engaging calligraphy competitions in Punjabi, Hindi, and English languages, where students showcased their artistic writing skills with creativity and precision. Our principal sir, Dr. Sanjeev Chandelji, appreciated the students for their writing skills. A 5 day drone training program was successfully organized under the guidance of ANO Miss Amandeep Kaur. The training held from 19 to 23rd May provided practical exposure to drone handling and operations. 8 students from 12th class actively participated and enhanced their technical knowledge. Kiranpreet Kaur, a dedicated class 10th student and proud TSC holder, represented her school at the prestigious Delhi National Camp. Her exceptional performance and commitment earned her a cash prize of Rs 5,000. Under the guidance of NCC officers, she showcased remarkable discipline, leadership, and skill, bringing honor to the institution. The school actively commemorated World No Tobacco Day under the visionary leadership of Principal Dr. Sanjeev Chandel with a series of impactful events aimed at spreading awareness about the harmful effects of tobacco and promoting healthy lifestyles among students. A medical camp was organized in collaboration with renowned doctors of DMC, offering blood pressure checkups for parents of the students. In his address, Principal Dr. Sanjeev Chandelji shed light on the numerous health risks posed by tobacco use and stressed the importance of adopting a healthy lifestyle. His motivational words encourage students to make wise, health conscious decisions.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with the new updates. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.